what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's May. I'm praying to God.
What up, YouTube? Sunday morning. Just getting the Elko situated so we can drop it off to be painted tomorrow. Pretty much gutting everything out right now. Gutting the interior out. Back on the Elko Sunday morning. Grind don't stop. Go hard 7 days a week. So right now I'm just mocking up everything. I'm with fiberglass. The center is gonna be a logo. We'll have two 8-inch for mid-ranges. We're gonna put a couple tweeters in there, like in between there and on the other side over there. What I had to do, as you see the car gutted, going to the paint guy. So just see, I want to have that angling. So you got the windows down, you know what I'm saying, the mid-range mid. But this is how I start when I get ready to glass it. So everything is gonna be made, molded like it was made in here. Just giving you guys an update. 85 El Camino. I'll be back. You can see the form where I'm taking this. Another thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut some of this metal out because I'm running aught gauge power wire and I don't want my carpet to be lumpy. So we got some indentations to where I can, say for instance, this is the power wire. It can kind of groove in there, or I might come off the garment here and come down. Probably can't come down. So most likely what I'm gonna do is cut this notch out here for the power wire, and over on the other side, cut a notch out here for my RCAs and speaker wire. When you're doing a sound system, you always want to separate your power wire from your RCA to cut down any engine noise. So that's where we at right now. We're just mocking it up tomorrow. Should be going to the paint shop to get wet up. I ain't gonna tell y'all the color until it's done. That's where we at right now. This thing gonna beat. So we're gonna have a total of the subs I'm doing a 2,000 watt. I'm gonna run them in 1 ohm. I'm running 4 8-inch mid-range, 4 tweets back here. Then we come to the doors. We're gonna do 2 6.5s, 2 tweets. And I think I'm steering towards head unit, the Alpine Halo 9. It's a real good unit. Like I say, we got I'll do the digital dash. Another thing we doing, it's got the old style windows crank. We're gonna put power windows. And we're also gonna do power locks. You know, my scenario behind having power locks is, you know, you got a wet paint job, and you know what I'm saying, one night you may be tipsy. You're trying to put your key in there and you scratch your paint. Now you're mad at yourself. So that's why I always put power locks in these old schools, especially when they're gonna have some wet paint. Just want to give y'all some footage where we at. Pretty much got it. I'm gonna come back and probably attach some pictures of the seats that I'm putting in here. We're also gonna build a center console to flow to the back. That's where we at. Boone's Customs.
Know what it is, I gotta go get it. They say that yeah, it's May. I'm praying to God they give me more bands and don't let them play with my throne and never ever see a a vacancy. The hood, you make it out, yeah, you made it. You know it's dog eat dog, so you already know it's coming up about the check. I keep it me and day, I motivate and try to keep